If you ask me, what camera accessory that has given me more value than anything else that I've purchased so far, it's gotta be this. It's the Blackrapid wrist strap. Let me show you an unboxing and then I'll tell you why. Alright, now that you've seen what comes in the box when you order it, I wanted to tell you why I mentioned that this little thing has given me more value than anything else that I've purchased so far, right? Again, this is the Blackrapid wrist strap and it's about $39.95, $40 if I'm not mistaken. It's in that range, but this small camera accessory has made me bring my camera, this is an M50, but the heavier camera even, outside more often than if I had not purchased and used this wrist strap right here. That right there is already priceless, for you to work and not worry about dropping the camera. I mean, it makes me worry less about dropping your investment, especially bigger cameras like the one that I'm shooting with right now. So that right there is already making it way valuable than anything else. I mean, you don't have to pay so much attention to how you're holding it. I mean, I can hold it loosely like that, or I don't have to worry about, like, if I didn't have this, then before I would usually have it here, and then I don't know, maybe if I'm working on something, then I accidentally drop it. So with it being strapped tightly, I mean, not even tightly on my wrist, but having it secured, then it's just like dangling. If I'm walking, then it's just like I'm swinging it back and forth and I'm not really concerned. So that is definitely something super important for me and helped me focus on what's important, which is looking for the perfect shot, finding the light and focusing on the subject rather than where do I put my camera, am I gonna drop it or something like that. So it's priceless. It's definitely something that I would recommend that you buy after investing on the lens and the camera body. Those two things are super expensive already. So if you have an extra money to accompany it with an accessory, then I guess this would be another thing. Another reason is, say you're bringing a camera that is heavier than this M50, like a DSLR or some sort, like something that would be much more bulkier than this. I'm not being petty here, like if you do have a camera that heavy, just think about it that you would be bringing it all day during maybe if you're vlogging on a vacation, you'll be carrying it the whole day. If you have a wedding shoot or whatever event, a birthday party, then you'll be carrying it, and that would take a toll. And with this strap, again, helping you, you know, not really having to carry it all day like this. I mean, you can carry it, again, you can loosely like that, or you can let it hang like that. Then it just helps, you know, makes you move faster, makes you worry less, makes you carry less with your hands, and you can do something else with these. So that is it. Quick one, and just wanted to share it really. All right, see you in the next one. Bye.
Listen.